Hi guys, in this tutorial I am discussing about what is opcode and operand. So friends, ఈ tutorial నేను మీకు opcode అంటే ఏంటి, operand అంటే ఏంటి ఆ రెండింటి కోసం నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. So friends, we are in 805 microcontroller tutorial. So the next video is 805 addressing modes. So coming to the 805 addressing mode, we want to learn basic concept about what is opcode and operand. So opcode is an instruction that tells the processor what to do with the variable or data written beside it. So operand is a variable that stores the data. That's it. Operand is a variable that stores the data. And data can be memory, address or any data we want to process. So opcode అంటే ఏంటంటే ఒక ఆపరేషన్ మనం చేస్తున్నట్టయితే which operation we are doing in microprocessor, that is move operation, add operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation. These type of operations doing in microprocessor, inside doing in microprocessor, that operations called as opcode. So operand is nothing but it is a variable. It stores the data. That means it stores some data, that is it having some registers, some memory locations in opcode. So memory registers in operand. So these are the A and B are the two registers that stores the data. So these are called as operands. So this is a one of the example, MVI A comma P. Here instruction MVI is an opcode, A comma P are the operands. So these A comma P are the store the data. MVI is to perform the operation that is used by the microprocessor. So this is nothing but opcode and operand. So if you like that video, please click on like button. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. Okay friends, thank you.